Okay, here is an example problem, and we're going to work along the left side to get it to look like the right side. And so one thing we want to do, we talked about substituting, rewriting, and you really want to get things in terms of sine and cosine, or something that will get you to sine and cosine. So we know that tangent is the same thing as sine over cosine, and cotangent is the same thing as cosine over sine. Now we have two terms here and one over here, so I want to get these two terms together, but I have to get a common denominator, so I'm going to abbreviate with letters. Remember, we have to, the common denominator will be cosine theta, sine theta. So this needs a sine theta, and this needs cosine theta. So when I multiply, I get sine squared theta plus cosine squared theta all over sine cosine. Now remember, the numerator here is equal to 1 and hopefully you know that is because of the Pythagorean identity. Now I see I've got sine and cosine on the bottom, which is good because I'm trying to get to these reciprocal trig functions. So I can kind of break this up here. 1 over sine of theta times 1 over cosine of theta. 1 over sine we know is cosecant, and 1 over cosine is secant.